In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find best-selling products on CJ Dropshipping for eBay. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, what signals matter, and how to avoid picking items that run out of stock right when you need them. First, open your CJ Dropshipping account and sign in. If you're new, create your account, complete the basic setup, and make sure you can access your dashboard. Having your account ready ensures you can explore the catalog and review key product details without interruption. Once you're in, look at the top navigation bar and click Global Products. This is the main catalog where you can browse everything CJ offers. Think of it as your product discovery hub. It's designed to help you quickly scan options and spot items that are already proving popular across other stores. Now, here's how to identify best-selling or trending products within Global Products. As you browse, pay close attention to the number labeled for how many times a product has been listed by other sellers. A high listing count is a strong indicator that the product is trending or moving well. Sellers tend to flock to items that are already getting traction, so that number gives you a quick snapshot of market momentum. However, keep in mind that popularity also brings competition on eBay. A very high listing count suggests strong demand, but you'll want to balance it with your pricing strategy and your listing quality to stand out. Alongside popularity, always check inventory. Trending doesn't help if the stock isn't reliable. Look for products that show healthy, consistent inventory levels rather than items that spike and drop suddenly. If you see a product with a big listing count but low or unstable stock, that's a red flag. Also consider variant level availability if the product has sizes or colors. You want options that won't constantly be out of stock, especially when you're building multiple eBay listings. Inventory location matters too. Even if you're not filtering, noting where the stock is held helps you anticipate delivery times. Steady inventory in warehouses that serve your main customer base is a big plus. The smoother the fulfillment, the better your eBay seller metrics will be. To recap, open your CJ Dropshipping account, click Global Products at the top, then evaluate each item by two key signals: a high number of listings that indicates demand, and strong, reliable inventory that ensures you can actually fulfill that demand. Use these together to choose products that sell well and ship smoothly. Thanks for watching, and happy sourcing.